Thank you very much, Vaishali Didi. It was not possible because of your support. Mehta Bhaiya, thank you for giving me sleepless night for the bags. It's so beautiful. He's the one who's man behind the bags. Shakir, thank you for beautiful choreography. And each and everybody present in this room, you all mean matter to me a lot. I'm a little intoxicated. Please forgive me if I'm sorry. Siddharth Bhaiya from GICW, thank you. Rakshit Bhaiya, wherever you are. Mehta Bhai, Kalpesh Bhai, Devanki for the holdings, making me a star in Bombay. Madhurima Didi for coming from Dubai. सबका नाम लोगों की तो कल सब ब्लॉक करेंगे. Everybody, Dipti, you have always been strength. And thank you, Diana and Manish. You don't know what you have done to me tonight. Thank you. Rehan for the beautiful styling. James and Pookie, my biological daughter and son. Thank you for being there. And each and everybody present. कल मेरे को ब्लॉक मत करना please. सब 400 लोग हैं ना, तो नाम नहीं ले सकते. Thank you. And my sister Swati. I don't know whether she is my strength, my beautiful sister. Whenever I was down, she called me at 3 o'clock night and always being there with me. Didi, wherever you are, you're my mom. And media, thank you. Parul Didi, Raj. सबका नाम ले लिया ना.
थैंक यू सो मच. और ये मौका मिला तो मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. 2 अक्टूबर को सनी संस्कारी की तुलसी कुमारी आपके नजदीकी सिनेमा घर में वरुण धवन, जानवी, रोहित, सान्या और मैं, शशांक ने डायरेक्ट करी है. धर्मा की फिल्म है, जरूर सिनेमा में जाके देखें. बिजूरिया. थैंक यू, लव यू ऑल, थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Satya Bhaiya, I don't know where you are. I love you, Satya Bhaiya.
I just want to say thank you, Rohit, for having me. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. I had a great time. Love you. Love everybody.
Thank you so much, Rohit, Diana, and Manish. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here with us tonight. See you all tomorrow.
Sarah, Bobby, Mila.
It's the 6th season of GICW. पहले 5 सीजन जो है वो दिल्ली में हुए हैं. What was that one thing that you come up with the idea कि इस बार जो है वो GICW मुंबई में हुआ है.
Thank you everyone. I'm Shakir Sheikh and I'm glad to be part of GICW. This is my 3rd season associating with them. It's always been a pleasure because I think GICW produces some of the finest shows of production value in India. And we're glad here to be working on India's one of the longest runway, that is 140 feet, and models are going to have a tough time. But yes, we look forward because the first time GICW from Delhi has moved to Bombay, and they are not just doing it large, they are doing larger than life. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy every day the journey, the designers, every extravaganza with the models, with the celebrity showstopper. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's not difficulty, it's an experience, because I think we all are here for our experience, and people who are experienced, the best in the industry, are working here tonight. So we bring our experience to this amazing experience, and together we are creating the magic.
What do we have to look forward to the next 4 days?
Next 4 days, a lot of fashion, a lot of glamour, a lot of creativity, a lot of celebrities, a lot of showstoppers, and of course the glamour. Thank you.
It's the 6th season of GICW. पहले 5 सीजन जो है वो दिल्ली में हुए हैं. How you come up with the idea कि इस बारी GICW जो है वो मुंबई में होना चाहिए?
एक्चुअली बॉम्बे में इसलिए क्या है कि इस द बॉम्बे इज द बॉलीवुड हब, तो 6th सीजन दैट्स व्हाई चूज बॉम्बे because मैं ग्लोबल में दिखाना चाहता हूँ, GICW का एक ब्रांड बनाना चाहता हूँ. It's not in Bombay. Next time something will go all over India, all over world. I'll be present my GIC.
और इसके साथ ही सिद्धार्थ, द फाउंडर ऑफ GICW, प्लीज आप भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. Siddharth, so it's the sixth season, right? How it's going to be bigger and better than other seasons?
See, every season has always been a step towards the progress, and every time we keep making sure that the growth is constant and steady. If you see and notice all our previous season, we have always ensured that we are one of the largest ramps and one of the best production in the country. And keeping that tradition alive, this year also we have a very big ramp, which I'm sure once you see all the shows, you will see the difference. And if you look at all the seasons and shows, you will see that our ramp that we have made this year is even larger than all our previous shows.
और इस बारी जो है, जो हम लोग एक बहुत अमेजिंग चीज देख रहे हैं कि डिजाइनर्स और शो स्टॉपर्स बहुत अमेजिंग होने वाले हैं इस सीजन में. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट इट?
I'm busy waiting for the show and watch whatever you go, you see. I want कि हम जो बॉम्बे में कर रहे हैं कि लोग देखे जाने
बिल्कुल.
कि हमारा जो GICW ब्रांड है, वो मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि सारे बॉलीवुड्स भी देखें, सारे सेलिब्स भी देखें, सारे क्रैप्स देखें कि ये ग्लोबल में थोड़ा सा हम हाइप करना चाहते हैं बॉम्बे को.
सिद्धार्थ, इस बारी और क्या क्या नया जो है वो देखने को मिलेगा सिक्स सीजन में?
इन टर्म्स ऑफ नयापन, हम हमेशा कोशिश करते हैं कि नए नए डिज़ाइंस, नए नए डिज़ाइनर्स और नए नए कॉन्सेप्ट उतारे. तो हर शो में आप देखेंगे एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट आपको देखने को मिलेगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिज़ाइनर किस तरीके से अपने गारमेंट्स को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. एक पूरा एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा आपको. इनफैक्ट आज का जो कर्टन रेजर शो है उसमें भी आपको एक बहुत ही अलग एक्सपीरियंस देखने को मिलेगा, जहाँ पे हमारे जो डिज़ाइनर है वो आपको एक अलग ही दुनिया में ले जाएंगे अपने डेकोर, अपने शो, अपने म्यूजिक और गारमेंट्स के प्रेजेंटेशन के द्वारा.
एनीथिंग यू गाइस वांट टू आस्क? ऑलराइट, थैंक यू.
मुंबई में GICW कितने सीजन लगे हैं? क्यों इतनी देर लगी?
मुंबई इतने देर इसलिए लगा कि मुंबई ऐसा एक शहर है कि वहाँ पे चीज़ें को कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए टाइम लगेगा. आई एम 5 टाइम इन मुंबई को समझने के लिए, मुंबई की कल्चर को समझने के लिए, मुंबई को पब्लिक को समझने के लिए मुझे 4 साल लगे. क्योंकि मैं स्टडी करने के बाद मैं डिसाइड किया कि मैं बॉम्बे में इस बार इसलिए करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मैं मुंबई के जो कल्चर्स है, जो फैशन इंडस्ट्री है, जो बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री है, उनको थ्रू जानना चाहता हूँ कि GICW को सब जाने. दैट्स व्हाई ये सीजन मैंने इसलिए बॉम्बे में चुना. USP मेरा ऐसा है कि मैं हमेशा इंटरनेशनल लुक देना चाहता हूँ GICW में. मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म जो है, मेरा रनवे जो है ऑलमोस्ट 160 फीट है. तो मैं जितना मेरे को बॉम्बे में जगह इतना लंबा चाहिए कि मेरा रैंप भी 200 फीट चाहता हूँ कि मैं सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रैंप हो इंडिया का. मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं रहता कि हमेशा हर सीजन मेरा रैंप बढ़ता जाता है. तो दैट्स व्हाई बॉम्बे में इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि सबसे हाईएस्ट रैंप मेरा बॉम्बे में करा है. दिस इज द 160 फीट. आई थिंक अगले 3 दिन में शो का जो वैल्यू है, जो डिजाइनर्स हैं, जो मोस्ट सेलिब्रिटी डिजाइनर्स है, जो पब्लिक से कैसे उनका रिएक्शन आता है, क्या वो बात करते हैं. मुझे चाहिए कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं मुंबई में कि ब्रांड को लेके क्या जानना चाहते हैं. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट कि लोगों में क्या कंप्लेंट्स है, क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुराई है, कैसे कर सकते हैं. आई वांट टू कि मैं उनको सुन के आगे वो चीज़ को इम्प्रूव करूँ.
See, the basic USP is, like we said, this time all the designers are going to take you through a journey in terms of an experience. Rather than following a traditional fashion show where you just witness garments, you will get to witness an entire experience through not just the garment being showcased, but through a visual presentation, through a proper sound integration, through a proper prop integration. So there is an entire experience for every show that a guest would get to witness.
कंट्री की इस बार तो हमारा कोरिया से डिजाइनर्स हैं, इंडिया के भी बहुत सारे डिजाइनर्स हैं, बहुत सारे कंट्री के ऑलरेडी पार्टिसिपेट कर चुके हैं. जैसे आई हैव कंप्लीट 19 कंट्रीज ऑलरेडी जो इंडिया में आके पार्टिसिपेट कर चुके हैं. तो अभी भी हमारे पास 2 इंटरनेशनल है, क्योंकि मुझे इसको ग्लोबल पे लेके जाना है. तो मोस्टली मैं वेलकमिंग करता हूँ जो बाहर के लोग इंडिया से बाहर जाके शोकेस करते हैं, कि मैं चाहता हूँ लोग आके बाहर के लोग इंडिया के आके शोकेस करें और इंडिया में उनको प्लेटफॉर्म मिले ऐसा कि वो अपना डिजाइन शोकेस कर सके.
So in terms of participation, this year we have participants for Paris, we have participants from the Middle East, and the kind of garments that the guests can expect are very international. The whole idea is rather than witnessing what is available in our own country, we are trying to create a platform which becomes an epicenter for the entire world to come and showcase. So rather than having a brain drain where our designers are going to different countries and showcasing, we want the entire world to come to India and showcase. That's the whole idea about GICW.
चीज 160 रैम्प रेल सेल्स वर्क करना इज चैलेंजिंग फॉर मॉडलिंग. जो मॉडल्स भी वर्क करते हैं उनके लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग है, क्योंकि 160 रैम्प पे रेल सेल करना, शोकेस करना, वो इतना इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं कि उनको अच्छा लगता है कि लंगा रैम्प पे चल के आने के लिए. तो मेरा विजन यही है कि मॉडल्स को वर्क करते हुए उनको कोई ऐसा फील आए कि वो किसी रैम्प पे वर्क कर रहे हैं. मैं किसी शो के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करता या मैं कंपेयर नहीं करता. ये मेरा विजन है. मैं किसी दूसरे शो को देखता नहीं हूँ, ना उन्हें फॉलो करता हूँ. मेरा एक विजन है. मैं किसी ना कंप्यूटर देखता हूँ ना मैं किसी को ये करता हूँ. हर इंसान का एक विजन होता है. तो मेरा विजन है मैं अपना तरीके से अपना ब्रांड को कैसे वर्ल्ड वाइज ले सकूँ. डिफरेंट बिटवीन इस फास्ट डिफरेंट इसकी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे बाहर के जितने भी डिजाइनर्स है इंडिया से बाहर, जैसे वर्ल्ड के 19 कंट्रीज ऑलरेडी शोकेस कर चुके हैं इस पे. तो मेरा विजन ये है कि इंडिया बाहर से वर्ल्ड से लोग आके इंडिया पे मेरे शो पे वर्क करे. मेरा नेक्स्ट सीजन विजन ही यही है, ग्लोबल इंडिया. मुंबई में स्पेशल क्या रहेगा? मुंबई में सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट लंबा रैंप रहेगा.
गिर जाएगा, मत छुओ, मत छुओ, मत छुओ प्लीज.
हम सबको पता है कि किसी भी शो के ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स, पार्टनर्स और कुछ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट लोगों का रोल होता है. तो उसी महत्व को इम्पोर्टेंस देते हुए मैं कुछ लोगों को आप सबके सामने थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा और उनको यहाँ पे इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा. फर्स्ट मिस्टर वसंत भंडारी.
First of all, I congratulate you. I want to say
Thank you,
what
thank
you
you,
said
sir.
is super great. Thank you, GICW. This is a wonderful platform. On behalf of United Breweries, I congratulate Satya.
Thank
I
you,
wish
sir.
you all the best. Welcome to
Thank
Mumbai. United Breweries always support you. I'll make sure.
Thank you, sir.
And this is a very big ramp which you said.
Yes.
Very nice. I wish you all the best. And anything in Mumbai, my moral support to you.
Thank you, sir.
We also have Mr. Sabyasachi Satpathy, one of our participating designers. I would like to invite him.
Thank you.
The reason why I am calling Mr. Sabyasachi is for this season, we have a very special and close to our heart presentation at our show, which we are dedicating to the state of Odisha, representing the culture and art forms and all the artisans community of Odisha, which Mr. Sabyasachi is curating himself. So I would request him to say a few words about that show.
आप सबको बहुत दिनों बाद बिग बॉस बात देखने के बाद, इतने दिनों के बाद आप सबको एक साथ देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है। और मैं GICW का पार्ट हूँ सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि कुछ डिजाइन करना था, मुझे अपना देश का हैंडलूम, अपने ओडिशा का हैंडलूम, अपने जो होम ग्रोन चीजें हैं जो हम चिल्ला चिल्ला के कहते हैं वोकल फॉर लोकल, वो प्रूव करना था। तो मैं 2 शोज कर रहा हूँ इसमें, जिसमें कि ओडिशा का जो ट्रेडिशनल वीव्स हैं, जो ट्राइबल वीव्स हैं, उसे एक रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं मैं। और दूसरा, जो इंसान का पहला वीव था 30,000 साल पहले, उससे मैंने कुछ गारमेंट्स बनाए हैं, उसके ऊपर काम किया हुआ है। तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम इंटरनेशनल जरूर हैं, इंटरनेशनली बहुत लोग आते हैं, डिजाइनर्स आते हैं यहाँ पे, हम देश के मिट्टी से भी जुड़े हुए हैं, तो हम दोनों को बैलेंस करते हैं। उसके बावजूद आपको सबसे लंबा रैंप देखने को मिलेगा और बहुत सारे वैरायटी के डिजाइन्स और लोगों के साथ आपको बहुत मजा आएगा। इसलिए हमेशा हमारे साथ रहिएगा। एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू सत्या, सिद्धार्थ एंड यू, एवरीवन हु इज एसोसिएटेड। आज इतने हैं, कल कितने होंगे और दुनिया भर में हम फैलेंगे। थैंक यू।
Definitely Mumbai. Yeah, after the show I'll be announced soon. The next season Mumbai में ही होगा. I'll be revealed very soon.
Any questions, Sabyasachi, anyone? Thank you so much. We just do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm super duper excited. When I was offered the show, I was not sure about it. But when I met Siddharth and Satyam ji, I found them very sweet and they convinced me that it will be of my standard. I extremely thank my sponsors, Vishesh Jewelers, Rakshit Bhaiya and Vaishali Didi, and Exotic Bags, Mehta Bhai for supporting me. My friend Dipti for getting me the Twinkle Didi for doing incredible garden for me. My entire team, Paul Didi, you yourself for being my strength, and of course Anuradha, the girl Pooja from Canada, Miss Curve, and I'm thankful to everybody for being there. All the top models who just said in one phone call they were ready for me to be part of this fashion show, and I hope you will enjoy the show. And Incredible Garden has done a fantastic decor. My friend Somita, who's handled the guest list, I'm thankful, and each and every media present over there because of you. I'm Rohit Verma today. Because of you, I'm here standing tall today. Thank you for being part of all my fashion shows and supporting me. To 101 models to be models. Thank you. But Bombay is buzzing because of my Kalpesh Bhaiya and Bhabhi, who has given me Devangi hoardings. You know, I always approach him, and they always say yes to me for giving me billboards. And because of this, so much promotions happen. And of course, I always send a beautiful hamper which Exotic has given me, and it has created a buzz. Thank you. Yes. Diana is a sweetheart. When I offered the show, she immediately said yes. And Manish has been family. Manish ने मेरे को बोला था उसको मेरे शो करना है. मैंने कहा भैया मैं आपको एक शो में बुलाऊंगी and it will be worth for you walking the ramp. So I can just do. This is a show where I've done justice to him. Thank you very much. Yeah.
See, Rohit shows so lot of drama, lot of excitement, and Rohit हमेशा एक नए concept के साथ आते हैं. तो this time it's floral, and I'm very happy to be a part of Rohit show. और ये मैं कभी miss नहीं करती. Always there for my friends, and Rohit, all the best. I'm sure ये show भी kick ass show होने वाला है. Yes. So Rohit की theme floral है, so here I am. See you guys.
Yes, but I'm also here primarily for Rohit Verma. वो इतने अच्छे गिफ्ट भेजता है हम लोगों को. Some of his stuff is mind-boggling and I don't have to pay for it. I love his designs, and I'm going to be seeing what he's going to be presenting today. So it'll be quite fun because That's the reason why I want this. So it looks as much as we can be creative about it, like that. All the best, Rohit. Kill it.
So I'm super excited today to be here to support my friends who are working for this amazing show called Mystical Garden, and I've tried to follow the theme. And all my congratulations and best wishes for my friend Rohit Verma, and my best friend Shilpi is walking, so I'm super excited. Thank you.
So Rohit has been a dear friend. Rohit has been a dear friend, and I attend his shows every year. And this is something that I really look forward to. So I'm really happy because this year it's myth and magical. So yeah, I'm here presenting my magic to his show. Thank you. I'm so much excited for Rohit's show because that's I can say that's a dream come true for me for Rohit's show because I think 3 months ago I asked somebody that I wanted to wear Rohit's style. How is it possible? So today I'm here and I'm just making my I got you. I got you. Oh, I'm very excited and yes, I have a goosebumps right now that I'm gonna wear a design dress. So lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Anuradha, for coming for me on one phone call. You're a true inspiration to us, and thank you for representing my country. And you are the inspiration of many household women who think that their life is set, and you are the one who is setting up the benchmark and example for everyone.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone, and I'm here today for this Global India Future Week, and I've come for Rohit, especially Rohit Verma, and his work is always unique, very different, and he does a lot of effort he takes, when he's into it. So I'm sure it's going to be really, really lovely, unique, and beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Thank you so much. Yes, I have to live up to his theme, the floral garden. So I've come like completely dressed like a floral garden today. And Rohit always comes up with such innovative designs and such dramatic styling and everything. So his shows are always, and it's a pleasure to watch his shows, to be a part of his shows. And he's an amazing designer, and we all know he has such class, such style, and he's just too exquisite. I think this is going to be a great show. I'm really looking forward. And yeah, I hope I still match the theme of being flowery today. Thank you. Yes,
Consul General here in Mumbai. This is my wife, Francina. She's dressed by Rohit Varma. Today you can see this amazing outfit, spectacular. It's been quite a treat getting dressed for this amazing event, which really showcases the best of India's fashion here in Mumbai. It's a vibrant city and it's a vibrant fashion scene, so we're very privileged to be part of it today. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. In a Rohit Verma outfit. Well, I think I always look forward to Rohit's very creative, colorful, bright, vibrant collection because I don't think he's ever done dull and boring clothes. He always does vibrant. And for some reason, whenever I get a Rohit outfit, it's always bright and very vibrant. And I love red, so I'm in this red outfit. And I look forward to this because I think we need to support India and made in India designers and make sure that they reach internationally and they do India proud. Thank you. Thank you.
वंडरफुल रोहित इज अ वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड, बहुत ही पुराना दोस्त है, फैमिली है और बहुत सालों से हमारा एक अच्छा घर का रिलेशन, फैमिली रिलेशन है एंड आई एम ऑलवेज वेरी हैप्पी फॉर रोहित, all the hard work which he has done all his years, and I think he's a fantastic designer and very popular among the youth, and of course all ages. Rohit is for everyone, you know. So I think he rocks, and all the very best for him always, always. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you.
I had to be here for Rohit show because I've not been able to attend his shows in the last 3 years. Because fortunately, every time he calls me, I'm busy shooting somewhere. And unfortunately or fortunately, this time I was free and I came. And he's always been very lucky for me. He's always been there for me. And obviously, I have to be there for my little brother, my little Rohit, and I wish him all the very best. And may he keep rocking, may he keep flourishing, may he keep glamorizing all of us. And I wish him all the very best.
Okay, so what do I do?
Just stand in.
Here. Hi, I'm Ruby Bhatia, television presenter and happiness life coach. और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है to be here at Rohit Verma's fashion show at Couture Week. This is the ultimate show. रोहित जी एक बहुत ही close friend हैं. बहुत सालों से हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. I'm very thankful and honored to be here, and I wish him all the best, and I know he will rock. Love you, Rohit.
क्या शब्द बोलूं बताओ. मैं ये बोलूँगा, it's a beautiful vibe, as you can see the people around, beautiful faces around, you know, and such amazing people around. So it's a great vibe to be here, and really looking forward to the show. And बस मैं chewing gum खा रहा हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो chewing gum बाहर ना आ जाए कहीं. Thank you.
1 second, she's coming.
I just want to congratulate to Rohit Verma, and this time I shot with him because he personally, told me that you have to do this shoot for me, and actually it went well. So beautiful, super happy for him. And whenever he's doing something different and beautiful, and lots of wishes to him. Always good luck, Rohit. And this time again, we're gonna enjoy, all of us. Thank you. Thank you. I think it's all very well organized, looking lovely, and I'm here to support my very, very dear friend Rohit Verma, who is so talented. I can't wait to see the show now. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, it's the same thing. And I'm super excited for this because it is all about Mystical Garden, and Rohit has really curated amazing stuff today. So I'm super excited for this show. Thank you so much. Looking forward.
So we are very happy to be here to support Rohit Verma. He's an extremely talented designer and a dear friend. So we are here to watch his new collection and cheer him up. So all the best to Rohit and let's rock it tonight.
And Rohit knows that I love florals, anything to do with flowers and gardens. My favorite theme. So I'm here to support Rohit and love him. Congratulations कहना चाहूँगी रोहित को. रोहित is like a family. और आज तो कुछ ज़्यादा special है because my daughter is walking for Rohit. So I'm very excited. Today is double excitement. And बस हमेशा की तरह fashion show चल रहा है. You will see the people with a happy smile and good dresses. That is what happens in Rohit Verma show. Thank you. Oh, it's all about Rohit, right? Well, I'm very excited to be here for Rohit always. He's worked very hard for every collection he does, and I'm very proud of the fact that he's a friend of mine, and I'm really looking forward to the collection he has. That's it. Thank First off, thank you so much, Rohit, for gifting me so beautiful gift here, and I'm wearing dress yours. रोहित वर्मा डिजाइनर एंड आज का कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है। जैसे कि हम लोग हर साल और हर शो में रोहित के आते हैं, न्यू फैब्रिक्स एंड न्यू एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग, न्यू कलर, समथिंग डिफरेंट जिसके अंदर वो जान डाल देता है, वो तो बहुत यूनिक होती है। एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज टू सी दिस कलेक्शन। अभी आज का क्या न्यू कलेक्शन कमिंग, सो वो मैं देखना चाहती हूँ और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू रोहित वर्मा, थैंक यू।
It's a wonderful show, and I'm looking forward that Rohit keeps doing wonders in life. He's a man on a mission, and the way he's taking things forward, there's no thing which can really take him on a back seat. He is a rock star, and I wish him all the very best in life. Thanks a million.
शिव दादा 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 थँक्यू दादा जी बोलिए जी मेरे फैमिली मेंबर है रोहित वर्मा और मुझे लगता है उनके प्रोग्राम में हम नहीं पूरे इंडस्ट्री आती है और बहुत बहुत बधाई उनको, शुभकामनाएं बहुत सारी। थैंक यू।
Thank you. So this is my first time for Rohit Verma show, and I'm really excited, really looking forward for it, and I hope कि मैं मतलब मिस हुआ है मेरा हर बार जब भी वो इनवाइट भेजते हैं और मैं नहीं आ पाती हूँ, बट दिस टाइम आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड क्योंकि बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, एंड आई मस्ट से रोहित इज रियली अमेजिंग विद यू नो मैनेजिंग दिस सोशली थिंग, सबको एक साथ एक रखना रोहित को अच्छी तरह आता है। एंड मेरे लिए फर्स्ट टाइम है तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उसका शो देखने के लिए।
Sir.
area where the press is, they're taking the interviews. Now, so I'm at the gate. Just keep coming, walking in, we'll see me. Yes, and now keep walking, I'll see you. I'm just where the interviews are being there. They're next to the bar.
अरे अंदर आएगी 10 लोग हेलो बोलेंगे. चल.
Come.
आपको रोहित वर्मा के शो में आके कैसा लगा? हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम हर साल आते हैं रोहित वर्मा के शो में और रोहित वर्मा और हमारी यारी बिग बॉस सीजन 3 में हुई थी और
अब तक बरकरार है.
नहीं, बीच में 9 साल बरकरार नहीं थी मेरी
थी.
और उसकी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी मेट एंड बिग बॉस ऐसी एक जगह है जहाँ पे रिश्ते बनते भी हैं और टूटते भी हैं, बिगड़ते भी हैं. तो उसके बाद हम लोगों ने पैचअप किया और उस साल से लेके आज तक 4 साल हो गए, हमने कभी मिस नहीं किया. एटलीस्ट मैंने कभी मिस नहीं किया. तनाज उससे पहले भी जाती थी.
मैं बस ये कहना चाहूंगी कि रोहित हर साल कोई ना कोई नया फैशन, कुछ नया लुक, कुछ ना कुछ लेकर ही आता है एंड वी ऑलवेज वेट फॉर इट. वो इतने खुश जितने खुश मिजाज है उतने उनकी स्टाइल्स भी है एंड आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू टुडेज lineup of clothes, his designs, and I just want to wish him all the very best and we are always going to be here for him.
लेकिन ये इतने अतरंगी कपड़े जो ये फैशन शो में पहनते हैं और कब कोई पहन सकता है आम जिंदगी में, ये मेरा सवाल रोहित वर्मा से भी है. अदरवाइज जो उसके लास्ट ईयर के आउटफिट्स थे मुझे अभी भी याद है, बहुत अच्छे थे और वो कोई पहन सकता है. लेकिन आज मैं देखना चाहूंगा ये फैशन क्या है.
लेकिन हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि वाह यार रोहित कितने अच्छे कपड़े एंड सो ही सेड यार तुम ही लोग हो जो मुझे हल्के में ले रहे हो, मैं टैलेंटेड हूँ. ये तो हमारी आपस की फ्रेंडशिप है एंड लाइक आई रियली ऑलवेज विश हिम द बेस्ट.
ऑल द बेस्ट रोहित, हैव अ गुड शो.
यस. Very excited for Rohit's show, and Rohit show is always a celebration. So it's such a nice, thing to come for him and meet everybody. And his collection is lovely as always. So we always look forward to his show.
Yes. Stunning outfit. And Rohit is amazing. He's wonderful as always. And Rohit's outfits are actually magical. He can dress anyone and he can make fairies to anybody. And today I'm wearing Rohit Verma outfit and this is how it looks. He can make anyone a beautiful lady. We are associated with Vishesh Jewels. Me, Vaishali, is associated with Rohit as per jewelries, and we are soon coming up with our new showroom. Thank you.
Well, it's always good to be here and looking forward to Rohit Verma's new collection. It's always exciting for this new collection that he gets in. So, बहुत exciting होगा and looking forward to the new collection of Rohit Verma. Thank you.
Electric and was really enjoyable. So, it was great to be here. I love the theme of the show today. It was mystical, the garden, and I feel very like garden chic in the florals that I'm wearing. And I saw the rest of the show as well from backstage, and it was very pretty, very fairy tale-ish and enchanting. And of course, I'm sure Rohit will add to that. About your collection?
Well, I think she's already spoken so much. She looks stunning in my clothes, and she's a beautiful person. When I called her, she was always there, and she's doing this beautiful jewelry. And Satyam Bhaiya being there, Bhaiya, please come that side. I've given him 100 calls, and he's been like my strength. Thank you each and everybody present over here, media, and of course the jewelry, of course my bag's partner, Mehtab Bhai. Thank you everybody. Well, I went to some hanging garden and I got this inspiration. I think I'm a creative person. Every time I come out of the box theme, so I think let's celebrate the garden, let's celebrate the woman, let's celebrate like femininity, and that's what like the idea came in my mind 3 months back when GICW approached me. I said, let's do mystical garden.
I loved it. I loved the long ramp. It just felt, it was a little endless, but it felt really good. And I just feel like it's a great way for, you know, each piece to tell its story because you get to see it for longer and it's just you're not rushing in and out. So
But
I believe it was the
I have
longest
to
ramp.
say something. When I went to Diana's house for the fittings, I happened to meet her mother. I think she's such an incredible and a beautiful woman. I get that vibe from her. She's so blessed to have a lovely mother like her. You know, may Lord Krishna always bless both of them and they'll rise and shine.
Thank you so much.
It's a dream come true to work with Rohit Verma, and thank you Rohit for giving me this platform, this thing.
Come on, anytime.
And also Rohit makes us feel Alice in Wonderland with this mystical theme. It was incredible, and thank you everyone for joining us and being a support. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We just want picture together, huh? Yeah, come. Let Diana be in the center. Sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you.
One look here.